Going no contact with the narcissist is so important for your mental health. And of course, it's important to protect yourself physically and financially, but you don't want them to play so much mind games because your mind is so powerful. Once they put doubt in your head, it's gonna be easier for them to manipulate you emotionally, and maybe financially abuse you, physically abuse you. So you just gotta protect your mental health first. The strongest weapon you have is your mind. So you gotta make sure you protect that at all cost. So how do you go contact? No contact? Don't go contact with the narcissist. How do you go no contact with the narcissist? Gradually do it. If you've been with this person for so long, and now they're used to you being around, you helping them and stuff like that, they become too entitled. These people don't have conscience. So when they sense a slight change, they might do something crazy to you, right? So you want to hide it, hide your plan, and just gradually, and then one day, just go no contact, right? Just go on about your day and do your regular routine, whatever you do with them, just for them not to sabotage your plan of no going contact. If you're broke, it's better to do it gradually, but like if you have the money, I would say leave as soon as you want to. Just get out, because I can't tell you what to do. At the end of the day, you're the one that wants thing to do the change, not me. You know what I mean? I'm just here to inspire you. Yeah, if you don't have the money, gradually leave. Yeah, it's likely, you know what I mean? It's not it's not likely for like narcissistic victims to have money. That's why I said gradually leave. But if you have the money, if you have options, yeah, just get up and go. And once you escape, please do not go back, because they're gonna be waiting for you, not because they miss you or anything. It's to punish you. They'll be waiting with the big stick, whatever it is. They're gonna be waiting to punish the hell out of you for leaving them. Yeah, stay no contact. Do not talk to them. You don't want to open the door, because they're very, very manipulative. They're very evil. They love to play mind games. Because you're also susceptible because you've been with this person. So it's easier for you to fall into that trap again. So it's better to just stay no contact. Yeah. You also know your weaknesses. Yeah, so that's a big one. They know everything that tricks you and stuff. So it's just not a good idea to show them where you are, what kind of job you got, what's your source of income. You just don't want to give them any information, because this person, they know you, they will manipulate you, it's not the the job that's they're gonna like stop you from working and stuff. It's you that they know well, not the job, right? So they'll manipulate you into quitting your job and not maintaining your independence and stuff. And if you share a child or children with this person, your narcissist or the narcissist could be a woman, could be a man. I'm not discriminating, because anyone can be a narcissist these days. I would say supervised visits. You can tell your social worker. There's a lot of people in the community that can like help you, like professionals. Well, at least where I live, in Canada and stuff. But yeah, like you do get support if you're a single parent. Not only like financial support, Or you can tell them, like, I was, abused, and I don't want to take my kid to their father or their mother because I was abused. That's gonna open a portal, whatever, right? So they could help you with that. So yeah. Or you can ask someone to do it for you, if you know that they're gonna hoover you by using your kids, right?